Alright, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Temi Banjo. If it's your first time here and you haven't seen this face before, I am Temi Banjo, and that means you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. So kindly hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell, and also like this video because so everything in order. Subscribe, hit the notification bell and like this video. And if you aren't new here, just like this video. So if you want to know how to use the apple cider vinegar effectively for effective weight loss, I think you should keep watching this video. Alright, so this is the apple cider vinegar I always use for my drinks, for my tea, and for my weight loss, for everything weight loss and so on and so forth. And a lot of people have been asking which one should they use, which one should they buy, should it be any apple cider vinegar or just any vinegar, or must it be this one? I'm sure it must be this one because of how it is made. You have to look for this particular one that they wrote with the mother. So right here they wrote with the mother, and it's undiluted. It's undiluted apple cider vinegar. If you turn the bottom, you see particles underneath. So all this is what you should get when you are buying your apple cider vinegar. So this must be the one you should use if you want to see difference in your weight, if you want to see changes in your gut area, in your tummy, and so on and so forth. If you haven't seen the video where I lost all my fats or where I lost all the weight in my tummy area, I'm going to leave that link here, so make sure you click on that link and watch the video. All right, moving on. So most people don't know how to use this apple cider vinegar. Many people think it's the more you put in your drink, the more effectiveness you see, or the more the effect is when you want to lose weight or when it comes to weight loss. No, if you do that, you might be hurting yourself. It's going to make you bloated, and it will affect your teeth if you use it long term in that quantity. So I'm going to be showing you guys the quantity you should use for your tea and the measurements and so on and so forth. So make sure you do not use a lot. Also, for you to see differences, or for you to see changes in your body, you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent with the apple cider vinegar. You can't just use it for 1 day or 2 days and say, oh, I've not seen any difference. You can't use it for 1 week. You have to use it for at least a month before you can conclude that, oh, it's working for me. And I want to emphasize on the fact that you should use it for at least a month or 6 weeks before you can conclude if it works for you or not. And I hardly hear about people apple cider doesn't work for. So if you use this for at least 6 months, I'm sure you're going to see a difference in your body and how your body reacts, and your metabolism, your digestion, and all that. So make sure you are consistent with the use of apple cider vinegar. For the measurement of apple cider vinegar, I'm still going to show you guys practically how you measure that. So but for now, this is what I do. I use this cover for measurement. If you're using the whole cover, if the quantity of the apple cider vinegar you're putting is going to fill the cover, make sure it goes into 1 liter of water, 1 liter of tea, or 1 liter of anything you're drinking. For 500 ml, half is enough. 500 ml, half of this cover is enough, and for 1 liter, 1 cover is enough. I hope I am being explanatory as possible. So let me just show you guys how you should go about the measurements in a very practical way, and how I make my tea, how I make my water, and just soak it and leave it there. All right, so this is my cup, and this is about 250 to 300 ml. I'm going to go in with lemon slices, 2 of my lemon slices, and cucumber slices. This is 3 slices, and also ginger slices. I'm going to add 1 bag of quality in the cup and some hot water. So the perfect measurement for apple cider vinegar will be about half to quarter of the cover of this bottle, this cover here. So this isn't full. This is about half of the cover, and I'm just going to add everything here. So that's all you need in your cup of about 300 ml. So if you have 500 ml, you can go in with half of this cover in your tea or in your water. This is a perfect recipe for weight loss. This is a perfect recipe for digestion. This is a perfect recipe for metabolism. I mean, quick and good metabolism. This is a perfect recipe for clearing your gut and losing your tummy fat and all that. So if you have this cup, at least 2 of this cup in a day, be sure to see results in about 4 to 6 weeks. Please do not boil, just leave it soaked like this for about 5 to 10 minutes before you drink. So you can also soak this in your flask or water bottle. This is a flask here. You can soak this in the flask and just have this throughout the day. So this will just keep cleansing your bowel area, and your gut area will be looking slimmer and slimmer. So once you finish your food, you drink your water, and you need something to just drink, you can just keep drinking this throughout the day or throughout the night till you fall asleep, and the next morning be sure to have a very, very fine gut area, and your bowel will be clean, and also your skin, and also have your skin looking really, really good, because apple cider vinegar also helps with your skin and your hair texture. So ahead. So next, I'm going to show you guys how I put apple cider vinegar in water. I've shown you guys how to put it in your tea. I'm going to show you guys how to put it in your water. All right, so this is water and lemon I have soaked for about good 4 to 5 hours, and this is a good detoxification combination. I'm just going to pour the water into the cup now. I'm going to put a slice of cucumber in water, slice of lemon in my water also. For my apple cider vinegar, I'm going to be using less than a cover of this in my water. So this is less than a cover, or this is less than half of a cover. That's all you need in your water. That quantity is enough for you inside this measurement of water. So like I said earlier, you don't need to pour the whole container inside your drink or inside your water before you start to see changes. You just need a very little amount of the apple cider vinegar in your drink for you to see changes. It's more of the consistency that makes you see that change. It's more of the dedication that makes you see that change, and also your diet. So yeah, allow me drink my water. So with these few tips, I hope you're able to make good recipes, awesome recipes. And if you form any other recipes that I haven't mentioned here with the apple cider vinegar, please let me know. Send me photos, send me pictures, send them to my socials. I'm going to leave my socials in the description box below, so please make sure you send them to me. Let's be friends. All right, let's connect. All right, I hope that was quite explanatory, and I hope I was able to show you guys everything that constituted of the tea. So other ways you can have your apple cider vinegar, you can use your tea. This is quality, and sometimes I use this one. I just drink this one. Is green tea. I just drink this one, put half a cover inside my cup, and cut my lime, lemon like I showed previously, cut my lemon, cucumber, and so on and so forth, and I just leave it soaked. Remember not to boil. Please do not boil your lemon, do not boil your ginger, do not boil your cucumber, your cucumber. Do not boil them, because you only be killing the nutrients and the everything inside the cucumber and lemon. Cucumber don't boil it. Just leave it soaked in your tea, in your hot water, whatever it is, or in your drinking water. Please do not boil, because you end up killing the nutrients in it. Also, this is twinning tea. This is also a green tea, lemon flavored green tea. You can also use this with your apple cider vinegar. It's very good, and it also helps with detoxification. English is hard. It helps with detox. It helps with detox, and it helps to clear your gut area, your bowel, everything. Makes you less bloated or not to bloat at all. So this tea, twinning tea, Lipton, any tea, top tea, green tea, herbal tea, make sure you make sure the tea doesn't have sugar, make sure it doesn't have milk, because you're just going to be undoing yourself if you end up putting apple cider vinegar inside that. So any tea of your choice that you choose to make, you put that measurement that I highlighted as it should be, and hopefully in a matter of 6 weeks you'll be seeing differences. All right, so I believe I have mentioned everything here. Comments are welcome in the comment section down below, and if you haven't subscribed till now, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. Please give this video a thumbs up, a huge thumbs up. Remember to put your thumb where your mouth is, okay? Don't just like this video inside your mind, you need to put your thumb there. So please like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Please stay blessed and stay safe. All right, please guys, stay safe. Try as much as possible to stay safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.